So this year's theme for the carousel, Gingerbread Carousel here at the Beach Club, is Peter Pan. This is in fact the 20th anniversary of the carousel. And not only are the horses all decorated to be a specific character, but at the top is a moon with the main characters flying, albeit backwards, but still pretty cool. And along the top is those rooftops and skylines of London. And then each of the characters has a horse. Now, you've got not only the horses over here, but because you don't have enough room for 5 horses, the 5th horse for Captain Hook is off to his own, on to the side. And what a mane. Very nice. And then, of course, last but not least, is Mr. Smeeze. See if we got glasses on. And this is probably a first. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but a carousel horse with a hook for a hoof. Look, he's got a map of Neverland here at the bottom. And this is all even that much more impressive when you realize that every single bit of this is edible. Each character also has very distinct items that are riding on the horses. This is Wendy, has a picture of the family. Michael's top hat, and even the teddy bear. Yes. Tinkerbell. There's a pin cushion and a thimble. And she's even got, look at her shoes. I love the fact that Smee's wearing glasses. That's pretty cool. The very center of the carousel, you can see other characters inside the portholes. And another fun activity is, due to the fact that they're celebrating the 20th anniversary of the carousels here, they have hidden 20 hidden Mickeys across the horses and across the carousel. So everyone's favorite game is to stand to the side and try to get as many as they can and count the hidden Mickeys across as it continually turns. And of course, over by the carousel, you can stop over by the Beach Club's pop-up little shop. Not only do they have the gingerbreads, they even have the Erin McKenna's gluten-free that Susan is trying as well. But this is the spot right here. It's gonna be really cool. Hello. This is the premium hot cocoa bar. It's serving Ghiradelli hot chocolate. Not only can you get the regular, but you can also get one with amaretto, butterscotch schnapps, even one with peppermint, hot cocoa, and or check out the flight if you want to try all three. Really kind of cool, and I love the kind of setup here. So grab yourself some cocoa to go along with your gingerbread shingles, little gingerbread men, and all the other goodies that they sell here as well. The edible gingerbread cookie here. It's got the Yacht and Beach Club. It's got 20th anniversary on there, and it does have Peter Pan. Lots of good treats here to try at the Beach Club. And what are you gonna have?
I'm gonna have these awesome gingerbread boys from Erin McKenna's Bakery.
Boys, pack of 2.
Yeah.
Erin McKenna's Bakery.
Yeah.
I know you're happy. Just kind of adds to the ambiance. And in case you're wondering, these are not cake pops. These are dipped Oreos, white chocolate, and they all have cool graphics. You can get either Captain Hook, Peter Pan, or Tinkerbell. And when you stop to take a look at the Peter Pan Carousel here at the Beach Club, you can also grab yourself a limited edition trading pin specifically for the Beach Club. It does say 20th anniversary of the carousel. And of course, it's got Peter Pan on his own horse. It's a Disney dream, yeah.
I miss it.
We're not on the cruise line anymore.
No.
We're having gingerbread cookies. Speaking of, you have gluten-free gingerbread boys from Erin McKenna's Bakery from the little pop-up shop.
They're really delicious.
I stole a bite too.
You did.
And they're good. I like those.
You're not like, oh, these are gluten-free, they're all
You shouldn't even tell me they're gluten-free. You should just say, here, have some gingerbread.
Good.
They're a little soft, really sugary.
Spicy.
I like those. Got some spice to it. So, I would eat these again. I would hide that. Because, you know.
They're not going to last long enough to hide.
No, they're enjoy them now while you can. Alright, so my son was nice enough to actually let me have a little bit of his gingerbread shingle. It's actually quite soft. You know, I like cookies that are a little bit softer. Gingerbreads that are like really hard, that, you know, like chip and break kind of hard. I don't prefer them this much, but this is really kind of, yeah, I don't care for the snaps. This is pretty soft. Oh, that's right. So this is the shingle that you get here at the Beach Club. It is the exact same recipe as the rooftop that is on top of the carousel. It's a honey ginger? Yeah, it's got a honey flavor to it. So completely different taste from the Erin McKenna's. It's chewy, a little dry. You guys think it's a little dry? Just ever so slightly? It's good. It's got a good flavor. I like the texture. I like the texture of the gluten-free one even better. Can't believe I'm saying that. I'm not going to put this on the video. I can't. I don't want that recorded. I don't want that documented, that I like the gluten-free better. No, I can't get out. And as usual, we can give you a little bit of a tip from our side. If you don't want to wait in line, or if the line's too long outside near the carousel, you can come into the gift shop here at the Beach Club and look. They even have some of the offerings inside the gift shop, including the shingles that are on the carousel. That's the plain shingles, and they have the frosted, so grab them in the gift shop as well and maybe skip the line outside. So when you go resort hopping this Christmas season here at Walt Disney World for the 2019 season, make sure you stop in at the Disney's Beach Club to check out the Gingerbread Carousel, Peter Pan themed. And take in all the sights, look for the 20 hidden Mickeys, and then grab yourself some gingerbread shingles to treat on afterwards.